Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious collard greens with smoked turkey in a crock pot. First, thoroughly wash about 2 pounds of fresh collard greens, removing any tough stems. Next, dice 1 large onion and mince 4 cloves of garlic. Finally, cut 1 pound of smoked turkey into small, bite-sized pieces. This preparation ensures all your ingredients are ready for a flavorful slow cook. Now let's assemble everything in your slow cooker. Place the cleaned collard greens, smoked turkey, diced onion, and minced garlic into the pot. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Stir gently to combine all the ingredients. Set your crock pot to cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or on high for 3 to 4 hours. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the greens to become incredibly tender. Remember to stir occasionally, perhaps every 2 hours, to ensure everything cooks evenly. During the last hour, taste the greens and adjust the salt, pepper, or vinegar to your preference. Your collard greens with smoked turkey are now ready to enjoy. They should be incredibly tender and bursting with savory flavor. Serve them hot as a delicious side dish with cornbread or as a hearty meal on their own. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.